In this one here, they ask us to solve the system of equations by the substitution method. So I have my system of equations here. And since, notice the coefficient of x is 1, this equation is 1. So if I look at all these x and y terms here, 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 I see that it's easier for me to go ahead and solve it for x and substitute for x. So that's what I do. I'll go ahead and solve this for x. Then I bring this over. Now I'll go ahead and plug in the second equation. Every place I see an x in this second equation here, every place I see an x, I'm going to put in 2y minus 4. So that's what I already replaced the x with a 2y minus 4. So now when I do that, I only have one variable to solve for, y. But I can't solve it for y right away because one of the y terms is inside parentheses. So I use my distributive property. 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times negative 4 is negative 16, minus 9y. Then I get my y terms next to each other. Negative 8y minus 9y. This will be a negative y, and a minus 16, and a minus 20. So I want to get my y terms by themselves, so I have a minus 16 here. So I add 16 to both sides. So I have minus 20 plus 16 is going to be a minus 4 and a minus y. If I divide both sides by a negative 1, the negative 1's cancel out. And y is equal to a positive 4. We're solving for a positive variable. We aren't solving for a negative y, we're solving for a positive y. Okay? So you know what the y value is going to be. You have to go back in and back solve and find out what the x coordinate is. Since we already solved it for x, let's go ahead and plug in for 4 for the y and find out what my x coordinate is. So when I do that, I find my x coordinate to be a 4. And that's the solution there for my answer. 4, negative 4 for my answer.